Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be showing you the best 10 cash flowing assets for passive income in 2022. So before we get into the video, please subscribe and turn on post notifications. If you are young, you're probably looking for ways to sit and watch yourself making money on autopilot, without you needing to do anything at all. Just sitting and watching money coming to your bank account as grow older. And as much as too good to be true it sounds, it's not. And the steps to do that are not even that hard. It's actually simple. Just stay tuned and I will show you how it's done. 1. Create a course. One popular strategy for passive income is creating an audio or video course, then sit and relax while you get cash from the sale of your product. Courses can be distributed and sold through sites such as Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. Alternatively, you might consider a freemium model, building up a following with free content and then charging for more detailed information or for those who want to know more. For example, language teachers and stock picking advice may use this model. 2. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook can be a good opportunity to take advantage of the low cost of publishing, and even leverage the worldwide distribution of Amazon to get your book seen by potentially millions of would-be buyers. Ebooks can be relatively short, perhaps 30 to 50 pages, and can be relatively cheap to create, since they rely on your own expertise. You'll need to be an expert on a specific topic, but the topic could be niche and use some special skills or abilities that very few offer but that many readers need. You can quickly design the book on an online platform and then even test market different titles and price points. 3. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, website owners, social media influencers, or bloggers promote a third party's product by including a link to the product on their site or social media account. Amazon might be the best known affiliate partner, but eBay, Awin, and ShareASale are among the larger names, too. And Instagram and TikTok have become huge platforms for those looking to grow a following and promote products. You could also consider growing an email list to draw attention to your blog, or otherwise direct people to products and services that they might want. 4. Flip retail products. Take advantage of online sales platforms such as eBay or Amazon, and sell products that you find at cut-rate prices elsewhere. You'll arbitrage the difference in your purchase and sale prices, and may be able to build a following of individuals who track your deals. You'll be able to take advantage of price differences between what you can find and what the average consumer may be able to find. This could work especially well if you have a contact who can help you access discounted merchandise that few other people can find. 5. Sell photography online. Selling photography online might not be the most obvious place to set up a passive business, but it could allow you to scale your efforts, especially if you can sell the same photos over and over again. To do that, you might work with an organization such as Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To get started, you'll have to be approved by the platform, and then you license your photos to be used by whomever downloads them. The platform then pays you every time someone uses your photo. 6. Buy crowdfunded real estate. If you're interested in investing in real estate but don't want to do a lot of the heavy lifting, management, repairs, handling tenants and more, then another option is using a crowdfunding platform to invest in property. An experienced investing team picks out the real estate, and then you can decide to invest in it and how much you're comfortable with. You'll pay an annual management fee to the real estate platform, and have minimum investment amounts that could range from $10 to tens of thousands of dollars. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. A peer-to-peer, P2P, loan is a personal loan made between you and a borrower, facilitated through a third-party intermediary such as Prosper or Lending Club. Other players include Funding Circle, which targets businesses and has higher borrowing limits, and Payoff, which targets better credit risks. As a lender, you earn income via interest payments made on the loans. But because the loan is unsecured, you could end up with nothing in the event of a default. 8. Dividend stocks. Shareholders in companies with dividend-yielding stocks receive a payment at regular intervals from the company. Companies pay cash dividends on a quarterly basis out of their profits, and all you need to do is own the stock. Dividends are paid per share of stock, so the more shares you own, the higher your payout. Since the income from the stocks isn't related to any activity other than the initial financial investment, owning dividend-yielding stocks can be one of the most passive forms of making money. The money will simply be deposited in your brokerage account. 9. Create an app. Creating an app could be a way to make that upfront investment of time and then reap the reward over the long haul. Your app might be a game or one that helps mobile users perform some hard-to-do function. Once your app is public, users download it, and you can generate income. An app has huge upside if you can design something that catches the fancy of your audience. You'll have to consider how best to generate sales from your app. For example, you might run in-app ads or otherwise have users pay a nominal fee for downloading the app. 10. Rent out a parking space. Do you have a parking space that you're not using or that could be used by someone else? You could trade that spot for some cash. It could be an even better setup if you have a larger area that could fit several cars or that would be useful for multiple events or venues. In particularly high-demand areas or during high-demand times, for example, during a concert or sporting event, your parking spot could be worth real money. For example, if you live near a place that has frequent commuters but that is strapped for parking spots, you might have a moneymaker on your hands. You might have the best chance of turning a profit by renting to someone who needs the spot on a daily basis, rather than for one-off events. And that was it. Those were the 10 cash-flowing assets for passive income in 2022. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, please make sure you subscribe.